meal kit from YUMM.ca, the cheapest one on the market. We're going to do an unboxing, and the first review will be with dinner on meal number 1, and we'll do meal number 2 tomorrow and meal number 3 the day after. So let's see what this is all about. If it's anything like the other 2 companies, the recipe should be on top with 3 meals with a separator or a divider, and the meats at the bottom. See that? Smaller version of how to cook up the meals, less pictures as opposed to the other 3 companies. And yeah, we'll go through that tonight. Right now we're expecting kung pao chicken, summer beef bolognese, and pork chops. There we go. 3 bags. Here is pork chops, the beef, and the kung pao chicken. The divider, this is different. The divider is actually part of the same material as this box. It's not just a piece of cardboard. So divider's up. You got the chicken, you got the beef, humongous ice packs, and pork. So the meats, check out these ice packs. Usually there's 3, but not this big. They're usually half the size. So we got 3 humongous ice packs. Good thing we are not paying for the weight. So we're going to cook up the first one tonight, and we'll see how it goes. Kung pao chicken. Supposed to look like that. The recipe calls for 20 minutes, and this is what we got. So yeah, if you take a look at this picture, let me zoom in, focus, and check out the plates. We did add a few ingredients. Reason is we have a big garden and it's starting to come out. So everything that's green was added, and we also added a few onions. And due to the fact that we added a couple of ingredients, we added a bit more sauce to the recipe. But overall, YUMM.ca portions are very good. So we're going to taste it and we'll let you know. So I lost my camera woman, so we're going to do this on our own, so it's going to shake a little bit. So basically the plate is wiped clean. Why? Because it was delicious. The portion was very good, and the meal was very good. Why am I looking to the left? I got to look here. The only thing we added was a bit of greens and an onion, because we thought that there weren't enough vegetables in the plate, and we have a big garden out back. So we decided to add it to the recipe. And they call for spiced peanuts. Not a lot of spices. The sauce that we put on the side, we put it over it, and it was very good, but it was a bit dull, so we decided to spice things up just a little bit. Maybe it's because of these food meal kit delivery services, but I never used to use spicy, but now I'm really enjoying it. So basically, it's a good go. The recipe was easy to follow, and here's a comparison. This is the size of the other companies with the big picture and full of pictures on the steps to follow. And this is YUMM. Boing. It's all small. 1 picture and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the steps to follow. So basically, no, it's $43 Canadian with the shipping, because they do charge $5 for the delivery fee. So it's something like 38 bucks plus $5. So it came up to 43 something for 3 meals that feed 2 people. And it's very good, very tasty, and it's well worth it. They will be officially in the rotation of companies that we'll be ordering from if the menu is good that week. So meal 2 tomorrow, meal 3 the day after that. But so far, YUMM is off to a good start. So don't forget my brother, Magic Phil 76. He's looking for subscriber number 76. He is sitting on 68 right now. As soon as he reaches 76 subscribers, he's gonna have a contest, and he will give away some stuff. So take a look on his channel, Magic Phil 76. Look at the upper corner, and you will see the link to go to his YouTube page. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Is that magic? It's magic filled.